everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna see some idioms with their meanings and examples. So without wasting time, let's get started. First one is a penny for your thought. That means a request to know what someone is thinking. Example के through देखते हैं. You have been quiet. What's on your mind? A penny for your thought. Second one is action speaks louder than words. That means what someone does is more important than what they say they will do. Example, I know he promised to help, but if he doesn't show up, action speaks louder than words. Third one is back to the drawing board. That means starting over from the beginning because idea or plan has got failed. Our first design was rejected. Let's back to the drawing board. Next one is cross that bridge when you come to it. Meaning deal with a problem only when it is arises. Example, I'm not sure how we will pay for college, but let's cross that bridge when we come to it. Next one is every cloud has a silver lining. Even in a difficult situation, there is always something positive to be found. Example, although I lost my job, I have been able to spend more time with my family. Every cloud has a silver lining. Next one is bite the bullet. That means to endure a difficult situation or experience with courage. She knew the surgery would be painful, but she had to bite the bullet and get it done. Next one is the elephant in the room. That means a problem or difficult topic that everyone aware about it, but no one wants to address it. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू क्लियर हो जाएगा. देखते हैं. The fact that everyone working remotely and not in the same office is the elephant in the room. Get a taste of your own medicine to experience something that you have done for someone else. Example, he was always playing a prank on his coworker, but now he is getting a taste of his own medicine. नेक्स्ट वन इज लेट द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग. इसकी मीनिंग तो आपको क्लियर हो ही रही होगी. मीनिंग टू रिवील अ सीक्रेट. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू देखते हैं. आई वॉज गोइंग टू सरप्राइज एवरी वन विद द न्यूज बट जॉन लेट द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग. लास्ट वन इज हिट द नेल ऑन द हेड. दैट मीन्स टू बी एग्जैक्टली राइट अबाउट समथिंग. एग्जाम्पल, यू हिट द नेल ऑन द हेड विद योर एनालिसिस ऑफ द सिचुएशन. आई होप आपको ये इडियम्स क्लियर होंगे. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.